Alright, good evening to all of you and hello everyone. I am so happy to see you all. First of all, today is a very special occasion. It's not just a day of celebration. This is a day when we all have fun together. Plus, we are going to felicitate all the excellent performers of 2024-25 board candidates and all the board achievers. They are going to be felicitated, and the drawing competition winners are also going to get felicitated today. And apart from that, what gives me immense pleasure to hold this event is this is the day when I get to meet all my ex-students who take the pain to come and meet me, who always make me feel so special just by giving me a little bit of their time. Because right now I'm at a stage when if there is something that I appreciate the most, something that I value the most is time. People who invest time for me, on me, I appreciate it, and I'm grateful to each and everyone for making this evening memorable just by your presence. But we are also going to have some amazing performances today by the students as well. And let's start the celebration. The next set of our today's event, which is the prize distribution for the annual drawing competition. Alright, so now we are going to felicitate the board achievers of 2024-25 batch of class 10, and I'll request all the board achievers to please come and collect their trophies. Before we felicitate the students of class 12, 2024-25, I would like to take this opportunity to mention that they have been one of my most absolute favorite batch. I know I should, as a teacher, I should not be partial, but I cannot help it. There are some students that leave an imprint in our life and we cannot help it, and they actually make it, they actually fulfill the meaning of bonded forever. We have a WhatsApp group of my ex-students, and all the students in that group, they have such an impact on my life that I don't think they are my students anymore. They are a part of my life. They are my family. They are my extended family. So it gives me immense joy to felicitate my last class 12 batch of 2024-25. Please give them a big applause. he is going to be our next very bright cricketer from our state. I really hope and pray that he makes us as proud as all the other cricketers who have won national, state and international. Not just she is a board achiever, very soon we are going to get a brilliant doctor. So let's congratulate all of her with a big round of applause, all of you. That was for class 10 and 12's felicitation, and I hope my next batch will also give me the opportunity to felicitate them with their amazing performances. And with that, we come to the good luck and farewell ceremony of class 10 and 12. So every year, we teach so many students as teachers. Every year we teach so many students, and when it's time to say goodbye, all my students, they tell me that, ma'am, we are going to stay in touch, ma'am, we'll definitely call you, we'll visit, and we will never go out of touch with you. And I just smile because I remember my teacher, Shukla ma'am, she told me once that we are just like the beach and we are just like the seashore, and our students are like the waves, and they come into our life, touch us for a few moments, and then they leave. We stay there, but they never come back. Because life is so busy, I understand that it's not possible for all of you to always stay in touch and always let ma'am know what is going on in your amazing lives. But when I say goodbye to all of you, when I give you a farewell, remember, it's never a farewell from my side. All my class 12 students, please remember that you will always remain my students, and if you need anybody, if you ever need anyone, I'll be always there by your side. I'm just a call away, and because you are always going to remain my student, it's never a farewell from my side, but we have to do the rituals. And for my class 10 students, it's not the end yet, but we have come a long journey, we have fulfilled a long journey, another very dear batch of mine. And I always tell my class 10 batch that maybe your batch is the only batch right now that knows the most about me, because even if I am on the verge of breaking down, I show it to you all rather than anybody else. And I don't know when we became so close and how much effort you all put to making me smile. It makes my Tuesday evenings, and I'm so thankful to all of you. And I would take this opportunity to wish you all all the luck in the world, so that your board examinations, they go wonderful. If it is in my hand, I pray to God that my class 10 and 12 students, you have an amazing board performances. যদি তোমাদের মনে হয় যে আমি ভালো পড়াই তোমাদেরকে, I'm not even like 1% of what she does, but whatever I do, she is a constant source of inspiration. I would I don't know how to express it in words. No, please, ma'am, please. I don't know if I'll get this opportunity again because apni shorir jonno aste paren na. So lucky are the students who have teachers to constantly guide them even when we are not in her class. We are always in her class. I mean, if I become 80 and if she is there by my side, she'll still inspire me. No, of course. She is my mentor. She is my guide. My mother knows it. My family knows it. She's a second mother to me. She has always loved me like her own. And I can't thank her enough for gracing the event today. Please, all of you, give a big cheer for her.
I really don't know what to say because you all are so young. And can you guess? I'm your teacher's teacher. So how old am I? And
Forever young.
And how young you all are. So what can I say? Sometimes I've seen that young people love to hear stories from old people. So I will tell you 2-second story. Once upon a time, one day, a young, slender, very young girl came to me and asked me, "You're Shukla ma'am?" I said, "Yes. I want to take tuitions from you." I was so astonished and surprised. No one actually comes to me like that and says, "I want English tuition from you." So I looked at her and, "Where are your guardians?" "No, I want to take tuition from you and I'm speaking on my behalf. My guardian can't come." So that was a straight answer, but I was observing her face full of determination and I looked at her and I have this God-gifted, I don't know what it is, to look at a student and understand the inner sense of that student. So I said, "What if you don't study well? I'm very strict, you know. I'm not very good teacher, but I'm very strict teacher also." She said, "Okay, you talk to my guardian if I'm not well, but if I don't study, you talk to my guardian." I said, "Okay, that much confidence, okay." And she came. And the sheer determination that I saw in her face to do something good. I tell you, my dear children, all very young, very small children, I always tell you that whether you follow your teacher's subject or not, follow a teacher like that. Sheer determination, of the zeal of doing something good that will always carry you forward. You may take any subject, you may study whatever you want, but hard work, determination, honesty, my dear children, is so important. And can you guess who is that young girl? Right. Follow her hard work, follow her integrity, follow her honesty, and you will reach the stars. All my blessings and good wishes to you all.
And এই বছর আমাদের সৌরভ স্যার জানুয়ারিতে ডিসাইড করলেন যে আর কতদিন একা একা থাকবেন, তো উনি নিজের জন্য একটা পার্টনার খুঁজে আনলেন যে আমি একা বোর হচ্ছি, আরেকজনকেও সাথে বোর করবো। তো she is a banker. One is a teacher, another is a banker, a match made in heaven. And our newly married Choudhury sir and his better half, please give a big clapping for them. I will take this opportunity to congratulate the new couple, and I really hope that they have a very wonderful life ahead.